Judge in Louisiana has blocked a plan by the Biden administration to end Title 42. That is the pandemic policy that restricts migrants seeking asylum at the border. Now, it was set to expire on Monday. Former President Trump put it into place in March of 2020, but now it's going to remain in place, at least for now. 3 News reporter Mariah Gallegos joins us live in studio with that update. Mariah?
That's right, Leslie. The CDC had announced its plans to end Title 42 on May 23rd, as you said, on Monday, because of the decline in COVID-19 cases and better access to vaccines. Some say Title 42 is needed in this pandemic to control the massive influx of asylum seekers at the border, while others say it's an immigration order masquerading as one for public health.
I don't think it was successful in terms of public health.
Natalia Trotter is with Raíces of Corpus Christi, a refugee and immigrant help center. She says they believe Title 42 has been used more as an immigration policy.
So we've seen the whole country open up, but this remain in place.
In that time, her office has been helping with humanitarian exemption requests. This is something she says will likely continue even if Title 42 ends because of the amount of families that have been separated.
People are stuck on the Mexican side, so we've been working hard to provide those humanitarian exemptions and reunify families in the United States.
She says while she understands we are still in a pandemic, she feels this isn't the way to address the spread of COVID-19 as it was intended.
And unfortunately, Title 42 has been directed specifically at the Mexican border, right? And so we see black and brown migrants that are returned to Mexico, and yet people from other countries, perhaps that have access to visas, are able to come in through planes. And so we see that disparity of treatment in terms of how Title 42 was used.
Whatever happens in court,
we have a crisis along the border.
State Senator Juan Chuy Hinojosa says our country needs a policy to address both sides of the issue.
We don't have the resources in place yet to be able to process and handle and admit those migrants that do qualify for asylum. We need some immigration reform. We need Congress to move and compromise and get this issue resolved.
The judge now preventing the Biden administration from ending Title 42 is a Trump appointee. Earlier today, Governor Greg Abbott activated the Joint Border Security Operations Center and said Texas is adding razor wire in some areas. Leslie.
All right, Mariah, thank you for that update. And we